Hi everybody, so in today's video I just got home from work and I received my Whiff box from Scentsy. I'm not a consultant, distributor, or anything like that with Scentsy, but I really enjoy their wax melts and their products, so I wanted to share this month's box with you guys. It's the month of August. So let's open the box. On the inside it says Whiff box scent with love. And it looks like that. Then on the top it says authentic Scentsy product Whiff box above and beyond is the theme for this month. On the back it says, "It's that time of year again. A new Scentsy catalog has launched. For this season, we're embracing the theme above and beyond. So in addition to new products and fragrances from the Fall/Winter 2021 catalog, your August Whiff box also includes a mini fan diffuser. We've even added a copy of the new catalog so you can see what else there is to love. Share your unboxing moment with hashtag #ScentsyWhifBox." Then inside it says, "Feel good notes. Go above and beyond by sharing a little positivity with friends and family or even strangers by cutting out these cards and leaving them as fun surprises. They're perfect for tucking into backpacks or lunches, or even leaving on windshields, desks, or pillows. Go ahead, spread the love." And it has these little positive affirmations to cut out. It says, "You are loved. What would I do without you? Thanks for bringing the sunshine. Your smile lights up the room. You make me smile. Keep up the good work. I'm proud of you. You take awesome to new heights. I love how you dream big." So that's that. Then here is the catalog. I've already ordered some scents and 2 new warmers out of here. Okay, so we have 2 samples. One is the laundry liquid in the scent Clothesline and the Clothesline scent in the scent Soft. So we have those. Then here is the mini fan diffuser. I've never tried one of their fan diffusers before. I've just always used their wax melts. It says, "If we never look back, we never get to see how far we have come. The Scentsy mission to bring value to the world by providing an industry-leading family-friendly business opportunity, selling creative, artistic, home-quality products that warm the heart, enliven the senses, and inspire the soul." And here's the directions. Comes with the USB cord. And then this is a little silver one like that. We'll put that together later. And then I have the Scentsy pods, and this is in Cloudberry Dreams. It smells so good. Then I have this hand soap. This is in Jeweled Pomegranate. I've never tried their hand soaps either. It says, "Pump into hands, lather, rinse well." That smells really good. So there's that. Then in this my last shipping bag here. Let's see what we have inside for this. We have 2 samples. I have a sample of Scary Good. Looks like that. Like I said, I'm not a distributor, so I don't have the scent notes for that. And then this one is Cashmere and Corduroy. So there's that. And then a full-size bar of Scarlet Sunflower. This one I smell butterscotch. So for Scary Good, I think that's gonna be the scent of the month for next month. I bookmarked in here in the catalog for Cashmere and Corduroy. The scent notes say, wrap yourself up in the coziness of creamy vanilla, Sicilian bergamot, and cashmere sandalwood. And then for the Scarlet Sunflower, and that one for the Cashmere Corduroy, that was in the new releases of, it doesn't say what this one is. Cashmere Corduroy is in the woodsy scent. Then let me see, where is Sunflower? Sunflower should be in, Scarlet Sunflower is in Fruity. Scarlet Sunflower says, juicy apple and a hint of red cranberry are brightened by a scarlet sunflower turning to face the sun. So that is pretty awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and have a good day. Bye guys.